In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete contacts in WhatsApp. To get started, head over and open up your WhatsApp app on your phone. And of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once inside the app, switch to the Chats tab just by clicking on the Chats icon. Then scroll or search for the contact you want to remove. Simply tap on their name. Then next is click on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen and click on Edit. Once again, from this page, click on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. And here you can see the Delete Contact option. Just click on it and confirm by once again clicking on the Delete button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!